Hello, myself Anjali Ramdasani once again in front of you to teach you EVS. Yes, now tell me, what are you doing nowadays? Helping your mom, brother, sister, playing, or just kicking your sister and brothers? Okay, for that, what do you use? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, you use your body parts. Yes, ये है ना? You use your body parts है ना बच्चा? Okay. So this is our current topic. My body, a wonderful machine. Okay, बच्चा, tell me why it is called wonderful machine? Anybody knows? No? Okay. I am going to tell you why body is called a wonderful machine, because it performs many more functions. Yes, for example, eyes, we see with our eyes. Nose, we smell with our nose. Ears, we hear with our ears. Mouth, we eat with our mouth. And our hands, we write with our hands. And legs, we walk with our legs. You want to go with rhymes? Okay, now we will go with rhymes. Eyes, 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 we see with our eyes. Nose, 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 we smell with our nose. Ears, 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 we hear with our ears. Mouth, 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 we eat with our mouth. Hands, 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 we write with our hands. Legs, 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 we walk with our legs. Followed? Everyone followed? Okay, now we will glance at the chapter. Are you ready? Okay. Yes, this is our topic. Chapter number 1, our body is wonderful. Come on, let's read. Our body is a wonderful machine. It is made up of different parts. Of course, it is made up of different parts. So many parts we have in our body. Okay? Come on. Now look at the picture. You will get more idea. At the picture given below carefully. It shows us the different parts of the body. Okay, follow? Okay. To have more clear idea, we will be going with the spelling as well as with the words. So, first part is our head and contains hair. Let's read the spelling of hair. H A I R, hair. Are you able to see? Are you able to see hair? Yes, this is hair. Now we will switch on to eye. This is an eye. Come on, read the spelling of eye. E Y E, eye. E Y E, eye. Eyes are two. Eyes are two. They are in pairs. See, you see with two eyes, no? Yes, good. Now we will switch on to nose. Come on, read with me. Spelling of nose. N O S E, nose. This is our nose. What do you do when mama don't cook food nicely for you? You just smell. Mama, today food is not good. I won't eat. How do you come to know? You smell. With the smell you come to know. Yes. How do you come to know? With your nose. So this is your nose. Once again, read it out. N-O-S-E, nose, nose. Now we switch on to our head. What do you do with your head? Nothing? You do something with your head? Yes, I think again and again with my head. Let's read the spelling of head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Head help us to think. Yes. Now we switch on to forehead. This is our forehead. You do expression, no? Yes. Forehead. Spelling of forehead is F-O-R-E. H-E-A-D. Forehead. What is this? Forehead. Just below the head comes forehead. Yes. Now ears. When ma'am explains you anything, how do you hear? Tell me. Anybody knows? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I know you know very well. Yes, with our ears. Come on, read the spelling. E-A-R, ears. E-A-R, ear. Ears are also in pair. How many ears do you have? One? No, we have in pair. That means we have 2 ears. Okay? Shabash. Now we will switch on to the mouth. What does your mouth do? When mama serves you Maggie, how do you eat? Yummy. Mummy, today Maggie is very yummy. How do you come to know? Yes, when I eat. But how do you eat? I eat with my mouth. मम्मी टेस्टी मैगी बनाया है. हाँ, आज बहुत टेस्टी मैगी बनाया है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I eat with my mouth. But you should know spelling of mouth also. Okay? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is called mouth. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Yes. Now we will go still further and we will come to know about neck. What is neck? Come on, tell me, where do you tie up your school tie? Think. Yes, here. This is called neck. This is called neck. You look wonderful, no? When you tie up a neck. But you should know the spelling of neck also, no? Yes. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Understood? Good. Now we will move to our chin. What's chin? This is your chin. When ma'am praise you, no? When ma'am loves you, so what do you do? Now tell me, when mom and your ma'am loves you, so where she praises? Like this. Oh, so lovely. So what's this? This is called our chin. Say chin. Once again say chin. Chin. Yes. Let's read the spelling. C-H-I-N, chin. This is our chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Yes. Shoulder. What is meaning by shoulders? These are our shoulders. How do you carry your bag? You know very well because you daily go to school. है ना? Yes. ममा मेरे को इधर बैग लगा दो. ममा मेरे को इधर बैग लगा दो. I am getting late. Yes. These are our shoulders. What are these called? Shoulders. Come on, say with me. Shoulders. Yes. Read out the spelling along with me. SHOULDER. Shoulders. Followed. Very nice. Now stomach. मम्मी भूख लगा है. कहाँ भूख लगा है? टमी में. Yes, this is our stomach. खाना दे दो मम्मी, भूख लगी है, चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं पेट में. This is called stomach. Our tummy is called stomach. Come on, read STOMACH, stomach. Yes, good. Now we switch on to elbow. This is our elbow. 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 Sometime you kick like this, no? Push from here, go. How do you push? Like this. These are our elbow. Arm. This is our arm. 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 Your arm help us to perform your work very nicely. Yes. Hands. HAND. Hands. Hands. How do you write? With your hands. How do you push Mukka to your friend? With your hand. Yes, this is called your hand. 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 Yes. Fingers. These are our fingers. 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 FINGER. Fingers. Yes, these are fingers. How many fingers do you have? Yes, correct. We have at all 10 fingers. Now we switch on to the chest. Spelling of chest is CHEST. Chest. Yes. Thumb. 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 Mama, today I have got 10 out of 10. Mama, are you happy? Then mama shows what? What mama shows? Thumbs up. Thumb. This is called thumb. Wrist. 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 What do you mean by wrist? This is wrist. Mama, I need new watch. Mama asked, where you will tie up? On my wrist. 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 Now we come upon knee. 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 When you play football, how do you kick? With your legs, with your knee. 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 This is called knee. Legs. These are legs. We have legs in pair. We have 2 legs. How do you go to school? How do you climb the mountain? With the help of your legs. How do you walk? How do you run? How do you skip? Yes, of course, with your legs. Yes. So these all are our body parts. These all. Yes. Now we switch on to the ankle. What's ankle? Let's see in the picture. This is called an ankle. Read out the spelling along with me. ANKLE. 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 Yes, correct. Now we come to the foot. 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 Yes. And the last part of our body that we are having. Yes, this is called toe. Toe. What's the spelling of toe? TOE. 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 This is called toe. Where we are having the toe? On the feet. Yes, everyone followed? These all are our body parts. So they make us, our body, a beautiful and a wonderful machine. Everyone followed? Yes. Just read twice, thrice all the hard words and explain to your mama and your sister also. Till then, remain safe, happy and enjoy your lesson. By the time I will send you the worksheet next time. So, stay blessed. Bye-bye.